How to fix trusted platform module has malfunctioned, Microsoft 365 apps activation error. 1. Reset the Microsoft 365 activation state with Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool. 2. Clear the TPM in BIOS settings. 3. Remove Office credentials. With Windows Credential Manager. 4. Delete broker plugin data. To do so, check two locations, %localapp.packages /packages/microsoft.aad.broker plugin_cw5n1h2tsioe /ac/token broker /accounts %localapp.packages/microsoft.windows.cloud experience host _cw5n1h2tsioe /ac/token broker /accounts 5. Enable Office Protection Policy. 5.1 Disconnect. Your work or school account from office.com. 5.2 Set 1 to protection policy dword at hkey_local_machine /software /Microsoft /cryptography /protect /providers /df9d8cd0150111d18c7a00c04fc297eb in registry editor. 5.3 Restart your device. 6 Disconnect and connect to Azure. Active Directory. To do so, enable Let My Organization Manage My Device and join this device to Azure Active Directory. Path, Windows Settings Accounts Access Work or School Azure AD Connection Disconnect Join this device to Azure Active Directory. 7. Enable Memory Integrity and Windows Security. 8. Check if, ensure, TPM 2.0 is active in UEFI firmware settings. 9. Sign in using a different account. 10. Update BIOS.